Hello everyone. We are looking at our package questions from the chapter Determinant exercise 2 phase 5. This is question number 7. We are still in the initial questions based on the property of matrices and determinant. So the question is, a matrix is given to us and we have to find the value of P such that matrix is singular. Now, the reason I chose this because we are doing these initial questions so that our properties of determinant matrices are also revised. So we have to remember what is the meaning of a singular matrix. Singular matrix meaning a matrix, let's say, is A. And if this is a singular matrix, meaning the determinant value of A is equal to 0. That is the meaning of singular matrix. Singular matrix. So A is a singular matrix, meaning its determinant value is equal to 0. Okay. So -1, 24, 4 and P. So its determinant value has to be 0. So minus P minus 24 into 4, 96 is equal to 0. Right. That means P is equal to minus 96. I believe we can do the calculation. That is not very important. The important thing is to understand this property. Yeah, I think it should be fine. Yeah. So we have to remember this property. Thank you.